Hey guys, welcome to another video. This one's a bit random, but I have this apple right here. It's buzzing. I don't know if you can hear it. I have an apple that's making a sound by itself. If you know what's going on, please leave a comment. Oh my goodness. This apple's making a buzzing sound. So if you know why this apple is making this buzzing sound, leave a comment or something. So thanks for checking out this video. See you next time. Take care.